Shaira Diaz ibinahagi ang kanyang nakakaiyak na wedding vow para sa kanyang asawa na si E.A. Guzman. Sa loob ng 12 years, muli niyang inalala ang kanilang mga pinagdaanan sa hirap at ginhawa bilang mag-boyfriend pa lamang. At ngayon nga ay natuloy na sila sa kasalan, kaya naman binigyan niya ng isang napakamadamdaming wedding vow ang kanyang napangasawa na si E.A. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated.
From this day forward, you'll never have to wait again. I love, we made it. We're finally here. Standing in front of you today, I can't help but think about all the moments that led us to this one. The laughter, the challenges, the countless ways you've shown me love.
Marami nga ang natuwa at humanga sa couple na ito na sa loob nga ng 12 years ay nakapagtiis sila. Sabi nga dito ng kanilang mga tagahanga, nakakaiyak na nakakatuwa yung speech mo, Shaira. Yung vows mo para kay E.A. Guzman. Talaga namang napaka-pure ng kanilang mga puso at talaga namang inagalang nila ang bawat isa. Congratulations to both of you. God bless you both. Yes, for 12 years of waiting, E.A. Super happy ka na mamaya. At may pasabog ngang inihanda itong si Shaira dahil nga pasasayahin niya nga daw ang kanyang asawa na si E.A. Guzman. Hindi na muling maghihintay at magtitiis ng 12 years dahil nga mamaya daw ay pasasayahin na nga ni Shaira itong si E.A.
I still remember our little code smile. Back when you were still courting me, you'd give me flowers or food with a note that simply said smile. It was your quiet reminder that no matter what was happening, you wanted to see me happy. Always. At sa 12 years natin, hindi nagbago yun. You always make sure na okay ako. Doon pa lang alam ko na. Alam ko na hindi ako mapapagod. Hindi ako mapapagod kasi karamay kita at kasama kita. At alam ko na hindi mo ako mababayaan. At dyan kita minahal. You've been my safe place. Pero akala ko yun na yun. You've given me even more reasons to love you because you respect me. You love me. You love my family. You love me patiently. You accepted me. You let me grow. You embraced my whole family. You kept the promise you made to my parents. And lastly, you waited for me. For 12 years, you waited for me. And for that, I will always be proud of you, of us, and forever grateful that we kept our promise to the Lord. So thank you. Thank you for waiting for me. And I promise, from this day forward, you'll never have to wait again. I will be the best wife I can be. Your true partner in everything. I will stand beside you. You'll always be my greatest blessing, my husband, my best friend, and I'll spend the rest of my life loving you. Magiging masaya na mamaya.
Congratulations, 12 years. You know, nakaka-inspire po makakita ng tunay na nagmamahalan. Karamihan kasi sa ira ngayon, fling-fling lang. So, 12 years bago ikasal, ibig sabihin may pag-asa pa kami ng jowa ko. Yan ang sabi ni Bogs Prieto. Mula Mula naman kay Samantha Gray, wow, congrats po. Idol ko talaga to si Shaira, napakagandang babae. At mula naman kay Lucy Nadamo, congratulations and best wishes, Shaira Diaz and E.A. Guzman. Mula kay Lori Pineda, ang tamis, congrats, sana walang hiwalayang mangyari. Mula naman kay Jam Montiel, congrats, wag makiuso ha, after a month mapapabalitang maghiwalay na. Magpakatatag, best wishes po sa inyong dalawa. May your love continue to grow stronger with each passing day. Congratulations. Salute E.A. Guzman, such a gentleman. Congratulations to both of you. Congrats and best wishes, the newly wedded couples, Shaira and E.A. Miguel, bless your marriage mula kay Violeta Ronquillo. Ito naman ang pasilip sa kanilang munting invitation. Sobrang elegant at napakaganda nga ng background. Lavender nga ang motif ng kasalang E.A. at Shaira Guzman, na bagay naman kay Shaira dahil sa napakaraming bulaklak at talaga namang naggagandahan. Parang si Shaira Diaz, fresh na fresh.